What's up, everybody? Today's a good day. We're off to get our cars out of storage. So AJ came and gave us a hand. Steveo's here. Woo! Probably a lot of wind. I don't know if you can hear nothing, but we're trying to get the Steve's truck and the RX7 out of storage today. That's the plan. It's a good day. Oh, ladies. Been too long, huh?
Oh, it's been a while.
Hey, boo. Think you can park any closer? They're actually touching.
Are they? Yeah.
I think so. Mine probably rolled back on it. All right. So let's see if we got juice. So you have to connect it. I'll put mine on the kill switch, hopefully. Oh, my mom's. Hey! Checking for power. Gotta smile for the camera. So Steve's truck started, as you can see. So let's try to get the RX7 out of here. Come on, baby. Let's see. Make sure it's in neutral so you don't jump forward. Oh yeah! Probably puffing out smoke like crazy, but sitting in here all winter. Surprised it started that well because it's been sitting for like since October, November or something. I don't know. Go back and check our videos. You can see exactly when we dropped it off with all the other cars that are around here. Smells like a dirt bike, man. No, that's not gonna work. Pretty much. It's a job coming soon. Straighten this puppy out. Yeah. So, time to bring him home. All right, let's take her home. Kiss my ankle. Okay, bye. Love you. Whew. All right, boys and girls, let's drive home with no functioning gauges, no speedo, no nothing. So I'm just gonna kind of try to keep Steveo not too far from us. Though he's gonna go very fast, but let's do it. Oh, we made it, we made it, we made it, we made it. Oh, it stalled. No, it's a turbo timer. Oh, home sweet home. For sister, that thing. Yeah, everything went good?
Everything went good.
Good.
Yeah, I need a truck like that.
Yeah, pretty handy, eh?
Yeah.
All right, haven't been doing a great job at filming this, but now we're bringing Steve's truck. So I gotta drive the truck because he brought his car to my place, and so on and so on. So we're gonna drop that off, maybe help him move it around, take the box off maybe, because he's gotta do some work to it. Then we'll be back home to put the RX7 to bed for a little bit. I gotta get rid of that beeper, that's so annoying. Oh, made it. The sun's out, it's nice and beautiful now, it's warm. We get to see the Subi. Oh, where you been, baby? Oh. Puppies! Hi! Hi! I'm just gonna film it and not guide you, so if you fall, you fall. You're on your own.
Alright, at least we got it on tape. Pissed off. Oh, yeah, one more time.
Good? Happy? You start working on it?
Oh, yeah.
So we put the box off right now, or what?
Yeah, start moving up those bolts there.
So what's the plan? You gotta do... You gotta put your springs on it or something?
Yeah, I gotta change the springs and the filler neck. Apparently it's easier to take the box off than taking the tank down, so take a chance and clean it up at the same time.
Cool. Yeah. So you do that. And then the Subi.
And then the Subi. Yeah, get that running again. One at a time.
That's... You need what? Water pump and...
Water pump kit, timing belt, oil pan, fuel tank. Redo all the floors, rewrap it. And it should be good.
Okay, it's party time. We gotta get it running like in the next 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Alright, So everybody's back home. The 7's back home. The trailer. We got Steve's truck back doing. We got a lot of work to do on that. As you can see, he's got to take the box off. He's got to do some leaf springs, some bearings, bushings, a whole bunch of stuff. Subaru too. He's got a water leak going on, and it's very like temperamental. It seems it's not giving him all kinds of problems, but we're gonna get on that too. So just happy to have everything here. I gotta go clean up the shop now, make a little bit of room because it's been a rough winter. As you guys saw last video, the shop's still a big mess, but that's okay. Something to do. And so we'll make a little room for this and then start prepping that thing so that I could actually drive it on the street. Hoping to get some parts in soon, stuff like that. So if you notice still crazy mess in here, right? Anyways, the video's been going kind of slow lately, but that's because we're doing stuff in the background to make stuff better for later. Do today what others don't, so tomorrow you can do what others won't. Or do today what others won't, so tomorrow you can have what others don't. So anyways, that's it for today's video. We'll get back into it. We'll see you next week. We're just gonna keep going with updates, and then when the big stuff starts happening, it's gonna happen fast. So like, comment, subscribe. Peace out. See you around.